All right, let's do it. A 10-minute high-intensity interval workout for that upper body. Here we go. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Coach Brian Klepacki here with none other than... Who are you?
Coach Chris?
Coach Chris. What's going on? Welcome to the Criticalbench channel. We're gonna give you an awesome 10-minute high-intensity interval training workout.
Body weight.
Body weight that you could do anywhere at any time, no excuses whatsoever. All body weight, all for that upper body, so waist up.
Yes. You're going to be hitting some core too, but definitely a focus on the upper body, and it's fun. I'm actually not looking forward to this.
Yeah, I know you're looking forward to this. Me might not be because we just, you'll figure out why we're not excited for this.
It's going to be a painful 10 minutes.
So this is what it's going to look like. It's going to look like something a little, probably something you've seen before on our channel here. Speaking of our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be a part of our team here. Subscribe now. Click that notification bell so you get notified next time we upload a video.
And share this workout with someone who you know will benefit from it, because it's body weight. You can do it at home. They can do it at the gym. They can do it anywhere. And it'll get tremendous results in a very short period of time. It's the idea with HIIT training, right?
So I'm gonna break it down for you real quick, and then you're gonna see the actual workout on screen so you can screenshot that, save it for later, and do it on your own. So this is the format: 30 seconds of work for one exercise, immediately followed by 30 seconds of work for another exercise, bouncing back and forth 2 times, then a 30-second rest. It's gonna make much more sense when you see it on screen, but there's 8 exercises in total. You're only gonna be spending 30 seconds at a time on each set. A few rounds, all adding up to 10 minutes. So very little rest, a lot of intensity. Yeah, so here's the screen. Take a look at it, screenshot it, and save it. All right, so we're gonna get started here in just a few seconds, so get your timer ready, or you can follow along with us. We'll have the timer here on the screen. We're gonna start off with that bear tap, then go into that crab tap. 30 seconds apiece. We're gonna be starting here in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Now this is a high intensity workout, so don't expect to make it all the way through your first time. You might need to put a knee down, you might need to slow your pace. This is intense, and it's gonna be optimal to help you lose weight and build some lean muscle. Let's go 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flip on over. Crab tap.
No excuses for you over 200 guys. You can do it. It's just a little harder.
Yeah, anybody can do this. You just might have to modify, you might have to slow down. But if you really want to get after it, it's only 10 minutes of your time, and I know you're capable of doing it. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go right back into that bear tap. Here we go. Time is still ticking.
Feel that core too.
Yeah, big time. 10 seconds. Woo! Good choice on this one, Chris.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Crab taps, one more time. So after we're done with this exercise, we're gonna take a 30-second breather, which is not much time at all, and we're gonna get set for the next round of exercise. 10 seconds. Keep going, almost there. 3, 2, 1. Good.
Oh, man.
All right.
Feel your triceps.
We don't need the mats yet. We got the pike press and the boxer next.
Okay.
30 seconds of each. Get some deep breath going. If you need a quick sip of water, don't chug anything. Just, we're gonna be going here very soon.
And we'll guide you through the pike press here. A little unusual. A lot of people haven't done it before, but
let's get set.
Here we go.
Think of a push-up with your butt up. Here we go. Time has started. Let's go.
So it's almost like you're in a downward dog type position. So you're getting more shoulder focus here.
Yeah, so get that butt up. 10 more seconds. One more. And up we go. Boxer.
Okay. Overhand,
Boom.
overhand, uppercut, uppercut. Good pace. Just getting the shoulders, getting the core.
Ooh, get a little confused there. Keep going. All right, that's good. Back down on the floor. I messed up those last few reps. That's all right. I adjusted, kept moving. Back to that pike press. Get that butt up.
Hold the position. All the movement really comes just at the shoulder and the elbow. Woo!
Yeah. 10 seconds. Last one. Up we go. Here we go.
Just working those shoulders, working the core.
All right, 30 seconds.
All right.
Yeah, feeling good. We are officially halfway through.
Yeah, we get the heart rate.
High-low planks, cherry pickers are next.
Okay.
So if you need a mat, now's the time to get one. Gonna be up and down on those elbows. High-low planks, cherry pickers.
Yeah, rest goes fast. We're gonna feel the core here.
Yeah. All right, let's get set, Chris.
Yeah.
2, 1, here we go. I don't know about the core, but I'll definitely be feeling it in the triceps and shoulders after that pike press. I like this one. Ten seconds. Cherry pickers are coming up. 3, 2, 1.
Cherry picker, just reach. Reach high, stretch your lats. High up over the head, pull it down.
Ten seconds. Three, 2, 1. Let's go. High-low plank. Keep going, guys. Come on. Let's go, muscles. 3, 2, 1.
Cherry pick.
Starting to talk to whoever's listening. Muscles, bones. The guy next door.
You just have to will yourself through it. Feel those shoulders wearing out.
Yeah. If I didn't have 24-inch biceps, I don't know. I don't think this would be so hard. That's a joke, by the way, people. Line up. Tough crowd. All right. 30
Time?
seconds. Yeah.
Holy cow.
Got to throw a little humor in there in order to
Yeah, I know.
speed this thing up. Shoulder taps, push-ups.
24-inch guns over there.
You like that?
Okay, what's the last round? Push-ups with shoulder taps?
No, shoulder tap,
Then
and then push-ups.
Fun, fun.
Nothing left is going to be left in those shoulders. Shoulder taps.
Dead.
To a high plank position, rapid fire, stabilize the core. No movement comes from the lower half. Here we go, shoulder taps. This is the 4th and final block of movement. on your way to burning some unwanted body fat, burning those calories. We're feeling good. We're getting through this. 10 more seconds. Oh man, push-ups are not gonna be easy.
No.
All right, here we go. Two, one. Oh boy.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. This is that point where you can decide two things. You can quit or keep moving, but you have to make a decision.
Come on, fight.
Keep it clean,
Time.
keep it tight, and push-ups. 30 seconds, let's go.
Holy crap. Good job, bro. Oh man, as you can tell, Coach Chris was not liking that last round at all. That felt like a really hard, all things considered, a shoulder and a core killer.
Yeah.
More than anything else, but that's still upper body, isn't it?
Oh man.
Wow, my
Yeah,
God.
good stuff. So,
No excuses, man.
yeah, really.
If you have 10 minutes, do that.
Yeah.
And you're good.
Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this workout. If you did, I need you to do a few things for us.
Yeah.
First, hit that subscribe button, smash that thing with all you've got. Be a part of our community here at Critical Bench. Hit that notification bell so you get notified next time we upload a video. But not only that, share this video with somebody. So help spread our message of health to all of those you interact with. Leave a feedback or leave a question, comment, feedback underneath this video. And I also want to give you something for free to use. It's actually something that's going to help change your mind and how you think about weight loss in the fitness industry. It's pretty much a little mini documentary. I talked about the weight loss lies that the fitness industry needs you to believe. So it's going to change your mind. So go check that out. You can find that link to watch that brief video to get that access to this documentary. Underneath this video, there's a pinned link in the comment section. Go click that, take advantage of that. That's all I've got. So that's it.
That's
Coach
it.
Brian and Coach Chris here with Critical Bench.
Time to recover.
That's it.
Good job. Hope you enjoyed that.
Have an awesome day.
See ya.